Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gorilla Fabric Glue is probably one of the most versatile and reliable adhesives on the market, designed specifically for fabrics and offering a strong, permanent bond that remains flexible even after washing and drying. Whether you're tackling a quick hem repair, adding embellishments to clothing, or undertaking a more complex crafting project, this glue provides a no-sew solution that's both convenient and durable, ensuring your fabric creations stand the test of time and wear. Its unique formula is engineered to penetrate fabric fibers, creating a bond that moves with the material, preventing stiffness and cracking, making it an indispensable tool for anyone working with textiles. Number 5. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. Tired of messy glue drips? Our gel formula is thicker and more controlled, perfect for precise repairs, even on vertical surfaces where liquid glue just won't stay. Say goodbye to clogged glue bottles. This bottle features an anti-clog cap with a metal pin, creating an airtight seal to keep it fresh and ready to use, every time. Need a glue that can handle tough jobs? It's reinforced with Impact Tough technology for superior strength and impact resistance, setting in seconds and fully curing in just 24 hours. From glass and metal to wood and fabric, this all-purpose adhesive works on virtually any project. Get a fast, long-lasting bond on a wide variety of materials. Achieve a clean, discreet bond every time. It dries completely clear with no foaming or residue, and the no-run control ensures it applies exactly where you need it. What we like? This adhesive features a no-run gel formula, perfect for vertical applications. Its anti-clog cap ensures it stays fresh and usable. If you're looking for precise repairs on various surfaces without drips, this is your go-to. What people say? This fabric glue is amazing. It holds fabric together like a dream. I used this glue to repair a tear in my favorite jeans, and it worked perfectly. The bond is strong and flexible, and it didn't stiffen the fabric at all. This glue is incredibly easy to use. Just apply a thin layer, press the fabrics together, and you're done. It dries clear and creates a permanent bond. Number 4. Gorilla Max Strength Clear Construction Adhesive. Introducing the strongest formula yet from Gorilla. This heavy-duty adhesive is twice as strong as our previous heavy-duty option, ensuring a bond that lasts. Achieve a discreet finish with our crystal clear glue. It leaves a clean look, keeping the focus on your project, not the adhesive. This waterproof glue is formulated for virtually any project or repair. It provides a Gorilla Tough bond for indoor or outdoor projects, even underwater. Because this adhesive works on so many surfaces, it's paintable. You can achieve any finish you prefer, seamlessly integrating it into your project. It also works as a gap-filling adhesive caulk, perfect for in-home projects. It effectively fills gaps, providing a complete solution for your needs. What we like? Experience our strongest formula yet, offering superior durability for heavy-duty projects. It dries crystal clear, leaving a discreet finish. If you need a waterproof, gap-filling adhesive for indoor or outdoor construction and repairs, this is the ultimate choice. What people say? This fabric glue is a game-changer for no-sew projects. It creates a strong, flexible bond that holds up well to washing and drying. The glue dries clear and doesn't leave a stiff or crunchy residue. Number 3. Gorilla Super Glue 4x3G Tubes. Introducing Gorilla Super Glue in compact 3-gram tubes. They are perfect for precise repairs, nail touch-ups, and jewelry fixes where larger bottles are impractical. Each tube features an anti-clog cap with a metal pin, creating an airtight seal. This ensures maximum reusability, and every use starts fresh. Our Impact Tough technology handles bumps and drops with ease. This high-strength formula bonds in seconds and stands up to daily wear and tear. This all-purpose super glue is designed for virtually any project. It bonds glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, and more with a fast, long-lasting bond. It dries crystal clear, leaving a discreet finish with no yellowing or residue. This makes it ideal for glass repairs and any project where a clean look is essential. What we like? These compact 3-gram tubes are ideal for precise, small repairs and travel. Each tube features an anti-clog cap for maximum reusability. If you need accuracy for delicate fixes like jewelry or nail touch-ups, these individual tubes offer convenience and strength. What people say. The glue sets incredibly fast and holds strong on a wide variety of materials, from ceramics and wood to plastic and metal. I love how clear it dries, no unsightly residue, and the precision tip makes application easy without waste. The Gorilla Glue has been helpful because it remains usable longer than some other brands that tend to dry out quickly. Number 2. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with our anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. It allows for perfect control, enabling you to apply small, accurate drops of adhesive exactly where you need them. Rely on its professional-grade, high-strength viscosity for a bond that's firmer and more durable than ever. It dries clear, resists yellowing, and is both strong and waterproof for long-lasting results. Get your projects done quickly with a fast drying time of just 3 minutes at room temperature. For a permanent, robust bond, it fully cures within 24 to 48 hours. This versatile adhesive works on a wide array of surfaces and materials, making it ideal for everything from phone repairs and jewelry making to nail art and fabric crafts. Enhance your crafting experience with the included precision tools. A wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens help you handle small embellishments and apply adhesive with ease. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for detailed crafting, including dotting tools and tweezers. Its precision tip allows for controlled application of adhesive. If you're passionate about DIY crafts, jewelry making, or nail art and need a strong, flexible, and clear adhesive with helpful tools, this is the perfect set. What people say. This glue is amazing for fabric projects. It holds fabric together very well, even through washing and drying. I used it to repair a torn seam on my favorite jeans, and it worked perfectly. Number 1. FITTDYHE B7000 Jewelry Glue 50 ml. Experience a transparent, waterproof bond that seals out air and liquid. It leaves no stains, making it perfect for restoring your favorite items and creating beautiful crafts. Achieve intricate details with its needle-like tip and anti-clogging cap. Apply small, controlled drops for precise crafting and repairs. This versatile adhesive works on a wide range of materials. From phones and jewelry to fabric and wood, it's your go-to for countless projects. Boasting high elasticity, it can stretch significantly without breaking. This ensures a durable bond that moves with your materials. Designed for jewelry making, it offers superior strength and a firm hold. Achieve professional results with its optimal curing properties. Dries to the touch in minutes and fully cures within 48 hours. Enjoy a strong, lasting bond for all your creative endeavors. What we like. This adhesive is highly elastic and waterproof, making it ideal for repairs that require flexibility. Its precision tip allows for fine, controlled application. If you're restoring phones, jewelry, or working on delicate crafts where a clear, durable, and flexible bond is essential, this is an excellent option. What people say. This fabric glue is a game changer for my crafting projects. It dries clear and flexible, so it doesn't make the fabric stiff. I used this glue to repair a tear in my favorite jeans, and it held up perfectly through multiple washes. It's incredibly strong and durable. The applicator tip is very precise, allowing for easy and clean application. I was able to get into small areas without making a mess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.